Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact battery type for your Surface Pen because the wrong cell will not fit or power the pen. Once done, lay a soft cloth on a flat surface and place the pen tip facing away from you. Use a small flat tool to gently pry the tip or twist off the top cap depending on model. You will feel a slight resistance. Keep steady pressure and avoid squeezing the body to prevent internal damage. This initial access gets you to the battery compartment. You now remove the old cell with care. First inspect and memorize or photograph the battery orientation so you can insert the new one the same way. Once oriented, use plastic tweezers or a non-conductive tool to lift the battery straight out. Do not scrape the contacts. If the cell is stuck, wiggle slightly. Do not use excessive force. After removal, immediately store or dispose of the old battery safely because punctured cells can leak or short and cause damage. You insert the replacement battery by aligning it exactly as noted earlier, pressing it into place so it sits flush with the compartment. Once seated, reattach the tip or cap and ensure it threads or snaps without cross-threading. Power on and, if required, pair the pen with your device. Check for LED or response in the app. If the pen does not work, make sure to reseat the battery, clean contacts with a dry cloth, and retry. Sometimes a tiny speck of debris blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.